Your home should be a place of comfort, efficiency, and style, especially in a climate like Mandeville, where heat, humidity, and seasonal weather changes can impact how your home performs. If your current windows are outdated, drafty, or difficult to maintain, upgrading to replacement windows is one of the smartest improvements you can make. Not only do new windows enhance your home's appearance, but they also deliver long-term benefits that improve your everyday living experience. One of the most important reasons homeowners choose replacement windows is improved energy efficiency. In Mandeville's warm and often humid environment, keeping your home cool can be a constant challenge. Older windows may allow heat to enter and conditioned air to escape, forcing your air conditioning system to work harder. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced insulation, multi-pane glass, and energy-efficient coatings that help regulate indoor temperatures. This means your home stays cooler and more comfortable while reducing energy costs. Another major benefit is enhanced indoor comfort. Drafty windows can create uneven temperatures throughout your home, making some rooms feel warmer or more humid than others. Replacement windows provide a tighter seal, eliminating drafts and maintaining a consistent indoor climate. This creates a more enjoyable living environment, whether you're relaxing with family or entertaining guests. In a humid area like Mandeville, moisture control is also essential. Older windows with worn seals can allow humidity to seep into your home, increasing the risk of mold and mildew. New windows are built with better sealing technology that helps keep moisture out, protecting both your home's structure and your indoor air quality. This added protection contributes to a healthier and more comfortable living space. Replacement windows also offer a noticeable upgrade in appearance and curb appeal. Over time, old windows can become faded, damaged, or outdated, affecting the overall look of your home. New windows instantly refresh your interior and exterior with clean lines, modern finishes, and customizable styles. Whether your home is traditional or contemporary, replacement windows can be tailored to match your design preferences and enhance your property's overall appeal. Another advantage homeowners appreciate is increased natural light. Many modern window designs feature larger glass areas that allow more sunlight to enter your home. This brightens your living spaces, making them feel more open, welcoming, and spacious. Natural light can also improve your mood and reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. From a practical standpoint, replacement windows are also low maintenance. Materials like vinyl and fiberglass are designed to resist moisture, warping, and corrosion, making them ideal for Mandeville's climate. Unlike older wood frames that require frequent painting or sealing, new windows are easy to clean and maintain, saving you time and effort over the years. Security is another important factor to consider. Older windows may have worn locks or weakened frames, making them less secure. Modern replacement windows are built with stronger materials and improved locking systems, providing better protection for your home and giving you peace of mind. Noise reduction is an added benefit that many homeowners notice right away. Replacement windows with insulated glass and tight seals help block outside noise, creating a quieter and more relaxing indoor environment. Whether you live near a busy street or simply value a peaceful home, this feature enhances your overall comfort. Finally, replacement windows can increase your home's value. Buyers are often drawn to homes with energy-efficient upgrades and modern features. Installing new windows signals that your home is well maintained and move-in ready, making it more attractive in the market if you ever decide to sell. In the end, replacement windows are more than just a cosmetic upgrade. They're an investment in your home's performance, comfort, and value. For Mandeville homeowners, they provide a practical solution to common issues like heat, humidity, and energy loss while enhancing the beauty of your living space. If you're looking for a way to improve your home both inside and out, replacement windows are a smart and rewarding upgrade that delivers lasting benefits.